Are you a busy woman, juggling a career, family, social life, and everything in between? And on top of all that, you're trying to manage your weight and feel your best, but it just feels impossible. You've probably heard the buzz about intermittent fasting. It's one of the hottest wellness trends, with people swearing it's the key to weight loss and high energy. But you've also heard it might be different for women. So, what's the truth? In the next 5 minutes, we're cutting through the noise. We'll cover the real pros, the serious cons for women, and exactly how you can use the most popular method, 16-8, as a busy woman on the go. Let's get into it. First, let's get one thing straight. Intermittent fasting, or IF, isn't a diet. It's an eating pattern. It doesn't tell you what to eat, but when to eat. The whole idea is to cycle between periods of eating and periods of voluntary fasting. When you're in the fasted state, your body doesn't have any recent food to burn for energy, so it's more likely to tap into your stored fat for fuel. This can lead to some pretty amazing benefits. So, why is everyone from your boss to your favorite celebrity trying this? Pro number 1, weight loss. This is the big one. By limiting your eating window, you often, naturally, eat fewer calories without having to count them. And as we said, it encourages your body to burn fat for fuel. Pro number 2, simplicity. For a busy woman, this is key. Instead of complex meal prep for 6 small meals a day, you just focus on 2 or 3 solid, nutritious meals within your window. No counting, no complicated rules. Pro number 3, potential health perks. Research has linked IF to other benefits, like improved insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing blood sugar, and even cellular cleanup called autophagy. Okay, that all sounds great. But, and this is a very important but, our female bodies are not the same as men's. Our hormonal systems, particularly for premenopausal women, are incredibly sensitive. They're designed to protect our ability to reproduce, and they see fasting, or significant calorie restriction, as a major stressor. Con number 1, hormonal havoc. For some women, fasting can increase the stress hormone, cortisol. This can throw off your entire hormonal cascade, potentially leading to irregular periods, messing with ovulation, or worsening PCOS symptoms. Con number 2, it can backfire. If your body thinks it's in famine mode, it might slow your metabolism to conserve energy, making weight loss harder in the long run. And a crucial disclaimer: if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, trying to conceive, or have a history of an eating disorder, intermittent fasting is not for you. Please, always speak to your doctor before making any major changes to your diet. So, if you are a good candidate, what's the best way to start? For most busy women, the 16-8 method is the most popular and sustainable. It's simple. You fast for 16 hours a day and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. The easiest way to do this? You finish dinner by, say, 8 p.m. You then skip breakfast the next morning and have your first meal at 12 p.m., noon. That's it. From 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., you eat your healthy meals. The 16-hour fast sounds long, but you're asleep for most of it. Now, how do you make this work when your schedule is already crazy? Here are my top 5 tips for the busy woman. Tip 1. Start slow. Don't jump into 16 hours. Start with a 12-hour fast, 12-12 for a week. Then try 14 hours, 14-10. Easing into it helps your body and your hormones adjust. Tip 2. Hydration is your best friend. Hunger pangs are often just thirst. During your fasting window, you can and should drink plenty of water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. It will keep you full and energized. Tip 3. Be flexible. This is a tool, not a prison. If you have an important breakfast meeting or a brunch with friends, just go. Enjoy it. And start your fast again the next day. One day won't ruin your progress. Tip 4. Prep your first meal. When your 8-hour window opens, you'll be hungry and busy. The worst thing you can do is grab the first processed snack you see. Have a healthy, high-protein meal prepped and ready to go. Tip 5. Listen to your body. This is the most important tip. If you feel dizzy, exhausted, or hangry all the time, or if your cycle gets weird, your body is sending you a signal. Back off or stop. This has to work for your life. So, the bottom line? Intermittent fasting can be a fantastic tool for weight loss and simplicity for many women, but it is not a magic wand, and it must be approached with caution. It's about finding a rhythm that gives you energy, not one that stresses you out. What has been your experience with intermittent fasting? Do you have a tip for making the 16.8 method work? Share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and always check the description area of this video. May God bless you and your weight loss journey.